These Comfort Gel micro snips have been great for the garden, from thinning out seedlings to harvesting herbs or even some light pruning. Find out how you can win a pair of these at the end of this video. Mother's Day is around the corner, and if you're looking for a gardening gift for that special mom, Corona Tools and Fine Gardening Magazine have a special promotion running up until Mother's Day where you can get 30% off plus free shipping by simply using the code below at checkout. So there are 5 products you can save on with this code, and we're going to run them down for you in this video as Angie has been using the majority of them in the garden and she absolutely loves them. The first of which are 3/4 inch forged aluminum bypass pruners. The bypass allows for close, cleaner, healthier cuts and is great for smaller hands. Now if you need to make some bigger cuts, there's also the classic cut branch and stem pruner, good for cutting up to 1 inch. They also have a comfortable handle with contoured non-slip grip to fit various hand sizes with a one-handed lock operation. And if you really need mom to cut through something like a log, then she needs a Corona folding razor tooth. This saw is 10 inches, extra sharp and durable. We once used it to cut the bottom off a Christmas tree and it absolutely worked wonderful. So the next 2 products are also ones that I'm going to be excited to be using as well. The hip truck is awesome because it allows you to use both hands while working in the garden. It also eliminates bending down to a basket on the ground. It easily clips to a belt, pocket, or waistband, and it's easy to empty from its neoprene holder. It's also container food safe and can be used in the microwave and dishwasher. Now the last product you can save on is the Nino Kneeler, which is just the right size, made with shocking absorbing EVA foam and wrapped with ultra cushy memory foam. The water resistant neoprene outer layer makes for a quick dry and white clean cover. It's lightweight also and has an easy grip for carrying. Alright, so those are the 5 products you can save 30% off on now until Mother's Day. All you have to do is use the promo code below at checkout. For information about Corona Tools, head over to follow them on Instagram where you can stay up to date on promos and tool reviews. Also, don't forget to check out Fine Gardening Magazine for exclusive gardening advice for your region and your garden. Oh yeah, and about these snips, make sure you subscribe, give this video a like, and leave a comment. 2 random people will be selected to win a pair of these, and as an added bonus, head over to Instagram and follow Fine Gardening and Corona Tools, then leave us a comment on our post about the video. 1 random person will be selected there. All giveaways are only open to US residents.